Hello guys! Last 2 weeks were amazing for Pici Miško team. We were enjoying our time so much and we did much more sightseeing than usual. We were exploring Andalucia. I wanted to start this story with some drone shots of Ronda. Ronda is a small town situated on cliffs, so it's super spectacular. But this town called Zahara de la Sierra impressed me even more. As you can see, it's also located in a really interesting way. And on top of that, it overlooks the lake that was actually this color, and we were super impressed. After a few days of sightseeing, we decided to go on the top of a hill close to Sevilla and chill there for a few days. It was really nice to be in the shade of the trees and just take time for work and for each other, and we were really enjoying our time. Piknik, kapa Klemen Stepa, smetanca.
Boste kaj povedali v mikrofon? O, aha. Oj, oj, oj.
We also wanted to be well rested to visit Sevilla. We already visited Sevilla in March, but this time we wanted to go again for Semana Santa. And sorry I didn't catch more of the famous processions there, but it was so hot and so crowded. I just went out to shoot one evening. As you can see, the people that are actually brotherhoods can resemble a famous clan, but they are not connected with that. This tradition is very old and connected with completely other things. I will link some articles below so you can read more about it. And right now I'm filming this in Portugal already. So this story was the last story from Spain. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and if you want more daily updates about our travels, follow me on Instagram. Have a great day. Bye!